I have a lot of time with my kid. Then, karon makahatod sundo na ko siya sa school. Which is, dili na ko na ginabuhat sa
Before,
una. Yes po. Tapos, at the same time, maka-earn na ko in my comfort. My message is, never doubt yourself po. Imuhang self-mangod ang muboost sa imuhang sarili. Dili ka mag-rely sa uban.
Welcome to Freelancing Talks with Grace Loxine, where successful freelancers share their journey, challenges, and wins. Real stories, real struggles, real lessons. Learn how they turn setbacks into success in the world of freelancing. Watch now.
So we are here in Mirapuente Street in Tagum City. It's called the Dose Coffee Shop. We are just waiting for Eloisa and we're going to start our interview. All right, so we are here. Welcome to Freelancing Talks with Grace Loxine. So maybe we can start with you introducing yourself para kabalo pod sila kinsa si Eloisa, and then maybe share a little bit of a background on, where do you live, unsa imong educational background, maybe work before freelancing, and then we can start from there.
Hi, I am Eloisa and I'm 30 years old from San Isidro, Davao Oriental. I have one kid and I am a bookkeeper in my corporate job before. Yes, and then I've tried freelancing. Then I've saw this post on Facebook about search marketplace, and then dito nag-grab na ko siya ang opportunity because Tagum lang man siya. Ay, supposedly Davao, medyo layo naman. Yes po.
And traffic pa.
Traffic po. Tapos, since on duty po ako as a bookkeeper, so night shift po yung pinili ko. And then, I don't have any relative in Tagum. So, I am traveling
from San Isidro to Tagum every night.
Every night
after your work.
Yes po.
Grabe. So, unsa ang imuhang kanang why? Like, I think when it comes to bookkeeping, medyo set man siya. This is a corporate job. So, maybe naakay, foundation and stability. So, nganong you shifted and think of like, okay, maybe I can consider freelancing?
Because the idea of working from home since I have a child, and then
ang mama na heart.
Yes. Yes po, because sa ako ang bookkeeping manggod is nag-handle ko of 4 branches, and then
really?
I have to go, yes po, in the physical branch just to close the transaction.
So upat ka buok, medyo madelay jud ko uli.
Yes po, yes po. And then, and na-apod siya slight autism. So, nag-school siya, financial na motto na, consider na ko ang freelance.
So, because I think a lot of people will learn from this one. Did you resign sa imuhang job and then you start training, or nag-train sa ka and then afterwards, because you were hired like a month ago, nag-train sa ka and then nang-apply and then mao pa ka nag-resign. Unsa ang option that you went into?
Actually, wala pa ko nag-resign as a bookkeeper because good, pag mag-apply ka as a freelancer, dili po good ka 100% sure. So,
sure sa jud mo nga na-apply.
Yes po, because mahirap na mawalan ka na agad ng work.
True.
Because you try to grab something na dili pa sure. So, akong gibuhat is
apply lang sa...
keep on applying. Tapos, gina-follow na ko tong mga kay everyday naga-send man si Serge o katong mga tips. So,
grabe Sir JL, supported you kay Sir Coach JL.
Yes po. Gina-follow lang ako tong mga tips. And then, ako ang gi-apply is katong something na naanadaan sa kuha. Wala ko nag-apply mga graphic, because wala, dili man ko, dili na ko siya line. So, nag-try ko og lead generation, which is, nadawat ko, though wala pa na ako nahumantong week ko na ako sa account.
Dawat na dayon.
Yes po. And
not then, even in the bookkeeping. So, this is on the GVA, Executive Assistance, kay lead generation man.
Yes po. Normally, ang adjustment na ko is, wala kayo siya, dili bitaw pareha sa kanang corporate nga, from time to time na adjud kay kailangan ikaw ang mangita og way na makabalo ka, ikaw ang reach out, dili sila ang reach out sa iyo.
So it's more self-effort.
Yes po, yes.
Sige, how about karon, you know, that you are freelancing now, unsa ang changes or sa tingin nimo benefits that you are experiencing karon you're working from home?
I have a lot of time with my kid. Then, karon makahatod sundo na ko siya sa school. Which is, dili na ko na ginabuhat sa
Before.
una. Yes po. Tapos, at the same time, maka-earn na ko in my comfort.
So, balay lang, kadaster lang.
Yes.
Like, if you look back, 5 years, 10 years from now, unsa ang changes ani or impact ani when it comes to your motherhood? Sa imong relationship sa imong anak?
5 years
from years from now.
I think 5 years from now, syempre makakaroon mi ng mas magandang bond. So, dili ko magiging absent mother sa iyang life.
True.
And then, mahatag na ko ang mga kaya na ko na dapat na ihatag na ko sa iya. Yes po. Tapos at the same time, maka-help po ko sa akong parents.
Kaya mas kuan naman, dollars naman imong gina-earn.
Yes. My message is, never doubt yourself po. Imuhang self-mangod ang muboost sa imuhang sarili. Dili ka mag-rely sa uban. So, ako nag-attend ko og mga training design layo, anak. Kasi I believe na kanang, kung dili ko maning kamot, so paano na lang po ang ako ang ano. Tapos keep on applying lang yun. Kung ma-reject ka,
like hapon,
i-question ni mo self, asa kayo ako na mali. And then learn from your mistake. Asa ka dapit. Maybe dili to para sa imuha or siguro dili pa good ka fit. Kailangan pa nimo mo strive.
So dili nimo take personally na mura dili jud ni para sa Oo, try again lang jud. So unsa ang like feeling nimo mga steps that you're going to do from here? You know, you mentioned about upskilling, being able to provide more. Unsay mga probably plans nimo that you wanna achieve probably in the next year or two?
Siyempre mag-upskill ka para makagain kag more knowledge. And then, gusto ko na akong maabot na kanang mapaskwela na ako siya sa mas magandang school.
Nice.
Because mas focused dito siya, coach.
For mga iyaha yung, that's very
which
nice.
Wala sa amuan, na siya sa mati. So, karon dili pa na ako siya mahatag. Pero sooner, I believe mahatag ako na.
Sige. So what I'm really seeing, you know, in closing and in interview is that it's the heart of a mother. You know, you were having a little bit of stability in the, you know, bookkeeping services, pero medyo stress ka kay upat ka upat ka branches, and then that limited your time to being your, you know, with your kid. And then ang pinaka motivation jud is ang imuhang anak, especially kay naa siya sa spectrum. So maybe, you know, in closing, unsa ang imuhang reflection as a mom that you would also like to share to other mothers like you?
Always i-center lang nimo kung unsa gyud ang important. And then because pag mo man gud ka kung unsa tong imo yung purpose, then mo na siya.
Sunod na.
Yes po.
So tingin nimo unsa ang purpose or unsa ang importance sa life or sa motherhood?
Importance sa motherhood is being there, tapos makahatag ka sa imuhang time, and then makaprovide ka
sa imuhang anak. Dili lang financially but really time. Unsa imong message kay Coach JL? Or you know sa Surge team, or like sa, you know, nimong mga classmates that have been a part of your freelancing journey?
My message to Coach JL and Coach, of course, Coach Giselle para sa bookkeeping. Dagan kayong salamat sa inyong mga na-help sa ako, even though kanang dili mo good ko kanang sa batch na mo kabalo jud si Coach. Dili ko kanang more on questioning. I am the parang introvert, but kasi gusto na ko
absorb.
Because sayang ako ang kanang effort sa pag-ato dito kung wala, dili man lang nako i-absorb kung sa tong mga And then sa akong mga kauban ako sa training, super thankful ko sila because gina-help ko nila. Even though dili may mga magkakakilala, dito lang
nagka-close.
Yes po. But feel like para kaming family na, even though 5 days na kami kasama.
That's very good. So I think that's it. This has been, you know, a great message na kung ang mama very motivated yun, there's always a choice in freelancing, and it's a good inspirational story that you're giving us na ayaw lang settle for less. There are always opportunities out there that you can be a better mom, a better family member, probably pud sa imuhang mga parents and all. So, thank you kayo sa imuhang story and sa imuhang time.